Hi! Good morning, business partners. This is Mara Eunice Boy. Tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-cash in sa ating account through fund request. Okay, so let's start.
Alright, so just log in po sa ating account and then click lang po natin ang cash in.
Tapos, click online banking and then makikita natin dito yung bank account ng company. Meron tayong BDO and Security Bank. So, example po, BDO. So, first step is complete payment via BDO with the following details. So, kailangan lang mag-deposit. So, it's either mag-online transfer ka or mag-over-the-counter. After nyo po mag-deposit or mag-online transfer, secure nyo lang po clear picture ng deposit slip or screenshot po ng inyong online transfer transaction. So, example po ng ating screenshot. So, kailangan po visible reference number, last 4 digit ng account nyo po, last 4 digit ng account ng company, tapos yung amount, at mas recommended po na ilagay nyo po yung complete name ng account owner at registration code. Tapos, make sure na makikita din yung date kung kailan nag-transfer or nag-transact. Okay? So, pag okay na po lahat, meron na tayong deposit slip or screenshot, balik tayo sa ating account and then click lang natin yung verify. Then, dito na po natin i-upload yung ating screenshot or picture ng ating deposit slip. Okay. So, after that, ilagay na po natin yung reference number, amount, and for the amount naman, wag nating lagyan ng comma, only the decimal point. For example, 18998.00. And then, yung date na nakalagay po dun sa deposit slip natin kanina or sa screenshot ng ating online transfer, yun din po ang date and time na ilalagay natin sa ating fund request. Okay, so, ayan. Tapos, enter natin yung transaction password natin. So, after okay na, i-double check natin. Kasi, pag merong mali sa ating nilagay, no, possible po na i-reject po yan ng ating accounting. So, pag after nyo po ma-review, na double check na po, tama na po lahat, click lang po natin yung submit verification. Okay? Okay, please take note po. Reminders, fund request schedule 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. only, Monday to Friday. No fund request during holidays. Screenshot or picture of deposit slip must be readable or else i-reject po yan ng ating accounting. And then, make sure to include your name and registration code on the deposit slip. And fund request top-up time, 5 minutes to 30 minutes.
And fund request charge is only 25 pesos, okay? Any amount na po yan up to 50,000 pesos.